station, we're dealing with this question here, which gives us the radius of a basketball, which is 9.55 inches. So if you could imagine a point right in the center of the basketball, and you draw a line from that point out to one of the edges of the basketball, right? That would be the radius. And we need to find the circumference of the basketball. So, if you started here and worked your way along this line, and made our way all the way back, that would be a circumference, right? So there's one formula that we're going to work with primarily here, and that would be that circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. And that's actually the same formula as circumference equaling pi times diameter. Oops. If you think about it, a diameter would just be a line straight across that would include the center. So if you broke it up into half, right, two pieces, you'd have 2 radii. So 2r is the same thing as 1d, which is why they're really the same formula. So, I'm going to deal with this one because it has r in it, but if you wanted to just double 9.55, which is the r, you could just plug it into this one and just do the math out. So you could do this right in your calculator. So 2 times pi, which is approximately 3.14, times 9.55, gives you an answer of 59.974. Now, if you actually have a pi button on your calculator, right, this would be a little bit more accurate of an answer if you use the pi button versus this one. I think it ends up being around, like 60. But, that's just, that's just a function of pi having more digits there can give you a more exact answer. So, either way, if it asked you for an exact answer, though, the only things that are exact are 2 times the 9.55, right? So if you did 2 times 9.55, that would give you 19.1. Now, you'd still need to multiply it by pi, but if you just phrase your answer as 19.1 pi, that's actually what we call the most exact answer because it doesn't round pi off. So 19.1 pi is the same thing as that 59.97 that we got. Just this would be an exact answer, and if it wanted it rounded, just to get a layman's terms answer, the answer would be, the 50.97.